watch the puppy play.
Hi, baby.
Is that little one thirsty, I wonder?
Hi, little baby. Can you play with her?
Careful, honey. Gentle, Lexi. Honey, you have to be easy. Look at that little puppy wants to play with you so much.
Go. She wants to kiss you. It got her happy.
Bye, Lexi. Have fun.
Where are you going?
Just pay attention to your puppies, honey. Hurry up. She wants to sell some puppies. She wants them to go to their home.
Goody buggy. Goody buggy. Oh, my goody buggy.
Okay, now she needs to see pictures of their faces. There you go. That's what they like to see.
He likes the toy. Look at her. I think her name is Cleopatra. There, just put your legs down like that. There you go. Hi, little one. Can you show her the toy?
Vincent. I want a tiny little one. Tiny.
Oh, she's trying to give you kisses.
Tiny.
Oh, she got you.
Yeah, Chris.
I want a tiny one over there.
Honey, you can't tell those big ones.
This is just amazing. I think this is amazing.
Okay, now do it till you smell.